Dear students, today we will discuss seed germination and different types of seeds under chapter Seeds and Seeds. So let's start this EVS session without any further delay. Do you know what is seed germination? See, seed germination is a basic fundamental process by which different plant species grow from a single seed into a plant. Now we will see how does a seed germinate. So let's move on to the next slide. During the first stage of seed germination, the seeds absorb or take up water rapidly. As a result of that, seed coat becomes swelled and soft at an optimum temperature. When seed coat ruptured, the radicle emerged to form a primary root, and this stage is called imbibition. As you can see in the picture that a radicle is developed from a seed and is further developed into primary roots. Hypocotyle is developed into epicotyle or a true stem, while the plumule is attached to the first leaf. Now let's move on to the next slide for the second stage of seed germination. During the second phase or stage of seed germination, the seed starts to respire and produce proteins and metabolize the stored food. This is a lag phase of the seed germination. Now let's move on to the last stage of the seed germination. In the last stage of seed germination, the cell of the seeds are elongated and divided, which brings out the root and radicle out of the seed, and cotyledons are expanded, which are the true leaves of the new plant. As we can see in the picture that the cotyledon part is developed into true leaves. The lower portion of the plant is root portion and the upper portion of the plant is called shoot portion. Now let's move on to the next slide. Now there are few basic environmental factors which are essential for a proper seed germination. So the first factor is water. Water softens the seed coats, increases the seed permeability and helps in the rupturing of the seed. The second factor is oxygen. Oxygen is essential for seed germination and growth. Third factor is light. There are many seeds which germinate in the presence of sunlight. Fourth factor is temperature. For seed germination, moderate temperature of approximately 25 to 30 degrees centigrade is necessary. Now let's move on to the next slide. Now we will see different types of seeds. So the first one is which seeds are used as cereals. So the seeds which are used as cereals are rice, wheat, barley, corn, etc. Now let's move on to the next slide for the second types of seeds. Which seeds are used as pulses? So red lentils, black chickpeas, kidney beans, green gram, black gram or urad dal, red grams, all these pulses are used as seeds. Now, which seeds are used as spices? See, cumin seeds, black pepper, fenugreek seeds, coriander seeds, carom seeds, mustard seeds, etc. These seeds are used as spices in our kitchen. The vegetables which contain seeds. So as you can see in the picture that the first one is ladyfinger seeds, the second one is pea seeds, the third one is the seeds of bitter gourd, the fourth one is pumpkin seeds, and the fifth one is tomato seeds. And there are many more vegetables which contain seeds. So let me know in the comment section what are those other vegetables which contain seeds. Now let's move on to the next slide. Now the last slide is about the fruits which contain seeds. So the first one is apple. We can see the seed of the apple in the center. The second one is watermelon seeds. The third one is orange seeds. And the fourth one is mango seeds. Now there are many more other fruits which contain seeds. Now let me know in the comment section about the other fruits which also contain seeds like these fruits. Thanks for watching.